Welcome to Superlift Garage Door Openers. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the battery in your Superlift remote. If you need help pairing your remote, this is covered in the video for your specific garage door opener motor. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a replacement battery, and a small screwdriver to help remove the existing battery. Remove the screws on the underside of the remote. Open the remote, laying out the parts clearly for an easy reassemble. Using the small screwdriver, remove the battery. Replace the battery with one of the same type. To check the new battery is working correctly, press any button to confirm the red indicator light comes on. You can now reassemble the remote . Confirm again the red indicator light comes on, and secure with the screws. For more information on this and other Superlift products, check your manual or visit our website.